Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Sweet Sparkle unboxing. It's a monthly subscription service. It is $24.95 a month. If you subscribe for a full year, it brings it down to $21 a month. Free worldwide shipping, which is awesome. So it comes wrapped up like this. The card says Fire and Desire. Ugh. And then there is a list of products that are in the box. There are 5 products. Turn up the heat this summer with our latest beauty box, Fire and Desire. Get hot with the perfect summer look, so bright you'll make the sun jealous. Your fiery eyes will match the sunrise all summer, and you'll have flawless lashes everyone will desire. You have everything you need to start the summer off right. Okay, first thing I'm seeing is a mascara from Bella Pierre. This is the volumizing mascara. This retails for $20. I'm excited to try this. I will definitely do a Mascara Monday episode on this and let you guys know what I think. I've never tried a mascara from them before, so look for that coming soon. Actually, maybe not coming soon because I have so many Mascara Monday episodes pre-filmed. Coming eventually, how about that? Okay, next we have something from Jordana. This is a blush pot from Jordana in the color Coral Sandy Beach. This retails for $2.99. I'm not a blush person. Sorella's outside my door. I'm not a blush person. And this color, she thinks that's funny that I don't wear blush. Like, she's like, Mama, how are you into makeup but you don't wear blush? And you don't care about your eyebrows either. Mama, you're not a makeup guru. That's what she's saying right now. She just said that. So yeah, I will probably give this away. Because like I said, not a blush person. All right, next we have an eyeliner from J-Cat Beauty. Roll It Up Auto Eyeliner in black. Retails for $2.99. Can always use another black eyeliner, and it's one of my favorite kind of eyeliners. Like a kohl liner, not like a pencil liner. So can always use another eyeliner. All right, next is the Lucy and Pompette Creme de Paris Demi Matte Lip Color in Fifi. This retails for $18. There's the packaging. Oh, okay. It's like a crayon, like a lip crayon. You know, this is really cute packaging. Ooh, actually it's not too bad. It's like a rosy watermelon color. Doesn't have a smell, but the packaging's super cute. It's got Paris on it. Can you see? A palette from J-Cat Beauty. Oh, I like these colors. This is the Fab 5 eyeshadow palette. Retails for $4.99. That's super affordable, holy shit. This is in the color Beaming Sunrise. These are like great summer colors. That was everything that was in my box. So my final thoughts, I'm definitely excited for this mascara. Like I said, I will do a Mascara Monday episode on this. Another black eyeliner, we'll always use it. I'm excited for this palette because these are colors that I wouldn't normally wear. Like, oh, I'm a little scared to use that yellow, but I'm gonna try it out. I feel like this would be like really good summer colors. The blush, I don't wear blush, but I will be giving that away to someone. And then this lip color, I do like it. If you guys are interested in signing up for this box, I will have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.